President Trump sets out his plan to reopen the American economy.
Our team of experts now agrees that we can begin the next front in our war, which we're calling Opening Up America Again.
The lockdown in the UK is extended by at least 3 weeks, but we are told there is light at the end of the tunnel.
The worst thing that we could do right now is to ease up too soon, allow a second peak of the virus to hit the NHS and hit the British people.
Plus, the 99-year-old British Army veteran, just a few days away from his 100th birthday, has completed a charity walk in his garden, raising millions for health service workers. Brazil's health minister, Luis Henrique Mandetta, has been fired by President Jair Bolsonaro after they disagreed over the country's response to the coronavirus outbreak. The populist president has downplayed the virus as a little flu and opposed his lockdown measures. More than 1,700 people have now died from Covid-19 in Brazil, and there are concerns the outbreak is more severe than official records show. The Al-Aqsa mosque compound in Jerusalem will be closed to Muslim worshippers throughout the month of Ramadan to prevent the spread of the virus. The council that looks after Islamic sites in Jerusalem said the decision was painful. Police in southern India have registered a case against villagers who defied a coronavirus ban on public gatherings to attend the funeral of a prize bull. Hundreds attended the ceremony in Tamil Nadu state to pay respects to Muli, a racing bull who was also attached to a local temple and revered as a deity. The President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, has said that Europe owes Italy a heartfelt apology for failing to offer enough support at the beginning of the coronavirus epidemic there. Italy was the first European country to suffer a serious outbreak and has recorded more deaths than any other nation bar the United States.
Yes, it is true that no one was really ready for this. It is also true that too many were not there on time when Italy needed a helping hand at the very beginning. And yes, for that, it is right that Europe as a whole offers a heartfelt apology. But saying sorry only counts for something if it changes behavior. Of course, there are still some who want to point fingers and deflect blame, and there are others who would rather talk like populists than tell unpopular truth. To this I say, stop it. Stop and have the courage to tell the truth. Have the courage to stand up for Europe. Because this union of ours will get us through.
Well, Italy responded by calling it an important act of truth.
And just before we go, let's take a look at the celebration of a mother and her newborn baby. Hospital staff on New York's Long Island cheered as Yanira Soriano held her baby boy for the first time 10 days after giving birth. She had been diagnosed with Covid-19 and underwent an emergency C-section while on a ventilator. Mother and son are now doing well.
In the Chinese city of Wuhan, the source of the global pandemic, the death count, has been raised by 50%. China's Wuhan city, the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak, has increased its official death toll by 50% after admitting inaccuracies in the initial count. The revised figure was revealed after Beijing dismissed claims that it underreported the fatality rate. China has not yet provided an explanation for the rise. Also, a picture on its front page of demonstrators in Richmond in the US state of Virginia protesting against the state's stay-at-home order and business closures.